Okay guys, so for this video, we will draw and color an airplane. Airplanes are fascinating machines designed to fly through the atmosphere by generating lift with their wings. They come in various types, including commercial airliners for transporting passengers, cargo planes for goods, and military aircraft for defense and combat. Airplanes generate lift by their wings. The shape of the wing's airfoil allows air to flow faster over the top surface, creating lower pressure above the wing compared to underneath. This pressure difference lifts the plane. The engine's jet engines or propellers provide thrust, which propels the plane forward. As the plane moves faster, more air flows over the wings, increasing lift. Airplanes use long runways for takeoff and landing. During takeoff, the plane accelerates until the wings generate enough lift to rise. During landing, the airplane descends, gradually reducing speed until it safely touches the ground. The one who controls an airplane is called pilot. And we're done. See you in our next video.